Today, we learned 10 common Chinese words built with the character guān. The character guān is extremely common in daily Mandarin Chinese. It can mean closing something, turning something off, controlling something, or even being related to something. You'll hear it in daily life, at home, at work, at airports, in games, and even in relationships.
Now, let's go through the vocabulary section. We start with 关门, which means close the door. In Chinese, 关 means close, and 门 means door. So together, it literally means closing a door. For example, 他关门了. He closed the door. Next is 关灯, which means turn off the light. Here, 关 means turn off, and 灯 means light. So it's like closing the light. For example, 睡觉前关灯, which means turn off the light before sleeping. Then we have 关手机, which means turn off your phone. 关 means turn off, and 手机 means mobile phone. So it literally means closing the phone. For example, 请关手机, meaning please turn off your phone. Next is 海关, which means customs. 海 means sea or international, and 关 means checkpoint. So together it means the checkpoint at the border or airport. For example, 我们在机场过海关, meaning we passed through customs at the airport. Then we have 关掉, which means turn off completely. 关 means turn off, and 掉 means completely or removal. So it gives the idea of fully shutting something off. For example, 请关掉电视, meaning please turn off the TV. After that is 关闭, which means close or shut down in a more formal way. 关 means close, and 闭 means shut. So it has a stronger sense of closing something completely. For example, 请关闭窗口, meaning please close the window. Then we have 关心, which means care about someone. 关 means connect or relate, and 心 means heart. So it literally feels like a connected heart. For example, 他很关心我, meaning he cares about me. Next is 关卡, which means checkpoint or level. 关 means checkpoint or gate, and the other word means block or pass point. So it refers to a stage you need to pass. For example, 这个关卡很难, meaning this level is very difficult. Then we have 关税, which means customs tax. 关 means customs, and 税 means tax, so it is the tax related to crossing borders. For example, 关税提高了, meaning tariffs have increased. Finally, we have 相关, which means related. 相 means mutual, and 关 means connection. So it means things that are connected or related. For example, 如果您有任何问题, 请联系相关部门. If you have any questions, please contact the relevant department.